how I see the nature of technology and culture, all of these things overlap. And to start with that, I need to talk to you about how I view strategy. And the best definition, the absolute best definition I've ever heard for it, is that strategy is deciding what mountain to climb.
All the simplification of access to tools, you've got to have a data strategy, and then you've got to have the right level of governance designed around your people to really make this work.
Our challenges is in line with what is in the business, and Microsoft and Umbrellar has the resources to help us in growing our business.
How you overcome that resistance inside an organisation that's baked into that culture to actually be able to truly digitally transform.
It really is taking stock, building that business case and identifying what your long-term goals are as an organisation, and then how the data strategy needs to align to that, and then how BI in terms of the reporting and the analytics around that fits in as well.